Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to show you all how I did this look that I did the other day. It's this nice golden red toned vibe going on, you know, just enough. It's very glamorous. You got the shimmer going from highlights, all that good stuff. I am back. It's not on a Sunday. It is Sunday today, but this is not being uploaded on Sunday. Not anymore, at least. It's during the week. It's brand new. Yeah, this is the look that I recreated again. I like it. It's very nice for going out, doing whatever. So yeah, let me stop talking about all this nonsense and get right to the rest of the video. Okay, so getting started, I'm going to be going in with my moisturizer from Neutrogena. I really like to focus this moisturizer just kind of in places that get most shiny on me. Now into our primer. Again, I like to focus it more in the T-zoned section of the face. Eyelid primer. Now just take a fluffy brush, go in. I like to just use that kind of tone that matches my skin the most. Kind of pack onto that primer, just to get us started with our eyes. Okay, now the basics are out of the way, we're gonna get started with all this funness. So I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna be taking burnt orange color right there. Now I'm gonna use tapered blending brush like that. And I'm just gonna be going over the crease part and just doing circling motions in the corner, just to kind of help blend out those edges. And when you're taking it into the inner corner, don't put too much product in there. It's just to kind of keep the look symmetrical. Want most of it on the outer part of your eye and the crease. Okay, color is actually showing up now, finally. Okay, next I'm going in with red ochre there. In this one, we're going to be mainly focusing it on the outer V. So I'm just going to pat product onto the outer V section of my eye and just kind of feather it towards the middle. So unlike the burnt orange color, we're not going to be taking this anywhere else onto the eye. This is just going to be staying on the outer V. So now just to blend those kind of together and make them sync up, I'm just going to take a nice clean fluffy brush and kind of do those fun circling motions all around. Just to get rid of any harsh lines that might have stuck around. Now for some glitter that we're going to be placing in the center of our eyes. I'll be going into the NYX palette, and I'm taking that nice gold shade right there. Actually, I'm going to mix that one with Primavera, since they're both nice gold shades. So do Primavera first. I'm keeping it in most of it in the middle of the eye, but I'm also bringing it down to the corner as well. And then take whatever you have left on it and kind of bring it onto the red ochre color that we put before. And it's kind of got an angle like that. Well, that didn't turn out like I hoped, but you know, we tried our best. Next for the eyes, just going to be curling the lashes. Okay, so before we do the under eyes, we're just gonna get on with the skin. hair out of the way. Just going in with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Dump some of that on my hand. I really need to hit up Sephora soon and get new shades of foundation since the California sun actually likes me. I used to never tan. I literally could go in the sun and just not get anything. But here, I was in the sun for an hour and I actually have tan lines now. I might actually be tan here. Might actually not have to worry about my family joking around about how pale I am all the time. Wouldn't that be something? This lighting probably still makes me look pretty pale though. Makeup doesn't help. But that's what bronzer's for, right? I just love this foundation because it makes my skin look so nice and glowy. I just wish they had some sort of applicator on them so you're not just like dumping out a bunch of product onto your hand or onto a plate or whatever you feel like using. Like that's how product goes to waste. It's all just like on the sides like that. Let's see. Like I hate how it does that. And it's like all on the top too. It's just a mess. So now I'm gonna brighten up those under eyes with some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. I'm just gonna cover some, let that sit for a second, cover up some dark marks with the Aqua. How do you say this again? Tarte's Aquacealer Concealer. Just take this stippling brush over those spots. Go over the latter part of my beauty blender and blend it out. And then work on the under eyes. Make us look less tired than we actually are. Now time to bake our face like a cake. To contour. Now I'm just gonna go in with some blush, the I Will Always Love You from the Tarte Power Makeup with NIKKIETUTORIALS. It's like orangey, corally shade. Now to blend all that powder away. Just gonna spray my face before I apply some highlighter. Just to really start everything just to soak into the skin. I'm just gonna go with Aurora from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going in with the Eclipse shade, which is that one right there. This hair out of the way. So now the face is all good. Time to go in and bring some life to those under eyes. So I'm going to take some red ochre. Go in like packing motions when it comes to doing the outer eye. Or start blending it out all the way to the inner corner. Okay, finishing touch for the eyes is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This definitely has become one of my favorite mascaras I've used. Just like it coats all the lashes so nicely without like glooping them together too much. Almost forgot my nose highlight. Gosh. That inner corner, since we got that gold going on there to begin with. Okay, so since my eyes are pretty dramatic, I'm just going to be going with some Glossier lip gloss. The finishing touch of some spray. Okay, so here's the finished look. It's got those nice reddish brown tones to the outer corner. You got the lashes going on. You got the gold, the nice dewy skin without it being, you know, over the top. that nice gold lip gloss, all nice and shimmery. Perfect for a going out look, whatever you might be getting up to. But yeah, this was just something I did the other day. Thought I would record it, see if you guys liked it. If you did, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how your day was, how your week's been going, how your life is, all of it. Just let me know. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.